This will be my second time using the trailer Valet XL. I just did the first video yesterday. So happens I want to use this trailer to trailer a motorcycle up into the hills and then make a run up to Alice's restaurant and through to Pescadero, out to the coast, and so on. I have my measuring stick. I need to raise it up, the tongue up to here, to get that ball to engage in the tongue. I lowered it down to get the ball up into the tongue. I raised it back up, tighten this guy up. That's good. Lower it back down. Ready to rock and roll, right? Take this handle, the manual crank handle off. Well, let's roll. So far, so good. That might be about it. It's probably a good case for getting the side mount thing where I could attach this on here. Then bring it all the way up and attach it right to the truck. That would be pretty nice. But I don't have that piece. A future purchase, perhaps. To release it from the tongue, loosen this guy. Look at that. That was pretty painless. So I moved it around using this cheap Black & Decker 18 volt drill, and it worked. The trailer's hooked up. Here's some bonus footage using the pit bull trailer restraint. There we go. Bike is ready to rock and roll. fast